picked up these splitters. I was gonna put on or try to test it. These are like a BMW style. I'm gonna see how they fit. I'm gonna line it up first, see how they go. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Not sure, it might be a little too short. Let me see what I could do. No. Too short. I'll just keep the side pieces. Let me try that. The side splitters, I don't know. Alright, so this is probably the only part I'm gonna use is just this little splitter. This piece is way too short, so I wouldn't recommend buying this kit. Unless you just want the splitter, and then usually you could just buy that somewhere else. Take this tape off real quick, and I'll show you guys. Gonna poke out just a little bit. Not gonna show too much, just like that much, if anything. It's kind of on there. Might put like a bolt somewhere to make sure it won't fall. It's got 1, 2, and 3 on here. Yeah. Put one like right here probably, and this will probably be the last one for this side. I'm gonna put on the floor and show you guys. Alright, so I installed this side only. This side I'm gonna do for tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Yeah, just a little bit. Isn't too bad. Get the far away view. See how it looks on the car, if I want to keep it or not. If not, I'll just throw it away, or maybe just put it on the Miata or something. Alright, catch you in the next clip. Alright, got this side done. So, it's kind of arched out. So yeah, this is it. We can put it on the car now and show you guys. Show you the splitter in the daytime. Oh shit! What the hell? What is the albino reticulated python doing here? Just kidding, that's mine. Alright, well this is how it looks on the car. In the daylight. Probably gonna grow on me. Not too bad. I've probably just gotta get like a better side splitter, if anything. This snake had a bad skin, bad shed, so take care of that. working on the headlight right now. You can see all the nonsense in there in the intake. The little vent from the last, like one of the other videos. The air goes in there and then the intake is just right there. But I don't know. I wouldn't recommend buying these. You could probably buy just these side things just cheaper than what I basically paid for. Let me go from over here. Car's filthy, but yeah, here it is. This is that. It's cute. I like it. Kind of ties in with the SPI diffuser. Give like a little more of a, I don't know, track arrow look. Still gotta get rid of the Home Depot lip I have on the sides. Get rid of that. There's another shot right here with it. Not too bad. I kind of like it. They give you more TL content if anything, but yeah, for now, just little stuff. Gonna be a clean culture, so if you're gonna be there, that'd be dope. See my TL. And watch my other cruise TLs. Pretty sure it was like only like 50 bucks for this, the middle piece, which didn't fit. Like I said.
Loving me is optional, you don't gotta. I'll be fine on my own, I'm a monster. Fell in love in the back of a Honda. Fell in love in the back of a Civic, to be specific. Get it, we gon' get it. It spent a sweet little minute. Pivot when we get in it. She thought the whip was rented. I got the window tinted. We went to triple digits. I got speeding ticket. Woke up feeling gnarly, smoking like a Molly. She tell me she's